You're watching One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can add another bank account on your Cash App. Now it's pretty simple, and remember, you can only add one bank account at a time on your Cash App. Even if you add another bank account, the older account which is on your Cash App is going to be automatically be removed, alright? So you need to keep that in mind. So with that out of the way, let me show you guys how you guys can add a bank account on your Cash App. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to open Cash App and click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's gonna open up just like this. Once it opens up over here, you want to click on versus linked banks over here. Once you click on it, it's gonna bring you to this page. Over here, it's gonna show you all the debit card, credit card, bank account you have linked over here. So we want to change our bank account or add another bank account, so you want to click on your bank account. So my over here says account 699, but your might say Chase Bank or another bank, alright? So you want to click on your bank account or like your bank name. Once you click on it, it's going to give you these three options. From over here, you want to click on replace, alright? Now once you click on replace, it's going to load for some time and wait for some time, alright? Once you click on replace, it's going to bring you to this page. Now once you're over here, clicking continue, and on the next step, it's going to ask you to choose which bank you want to add on your Cash App. So choose a bank from over here. After you choose your bank, it's going to ask you to enter your bank's online banking login detail. After entering your bank's online banking login detail, your bank is going to be added with your Cash App, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can add another bank account on your Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, alright? So I taught you guys how to link a bank account. Now go do it. Bye bye.